What if I told you the Sony A7V might finally have a release window locked in? For months, we've been drowning in leaks, whispers, and endless speculation. But now, the pieces are starting to line up, and if the rumors are true, this could be Sony's biggest hybrid camera yet. In this video, we're diving deep into the latest leaks, what they mean for photographers and filmmakers, and whether the hype around the A7V is really justified. Stick around, because some of these details could change how you think about upgrading in 2025. Before we get into the juicy stuff, let's rewind a bit. Sony's A7 line has basically defined the full-frame mirrorless market for nearly a decade. The A7 III in 2018, a game-changer at just under $2,000. Then came the A7 IV in 2021 with better sensors, better processing, and yes, an even steeper price tag. Now in 2025, all eyes are on the A7V. The big question, is Sony going to push the envelope again or just push the price higher? Here's where things get really interesting. Leaks suggest two possible sensor options for the A7V. 44-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor for crazy levels of detail, perfect for big prints and commercial work, or a 33-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, which sacrifices a little resolution but gives you faster readouts, better low-light performance, and serious speed for action shooters. If Sony goes with the 44-megapixel, it's basically catering to detail-obsessed photographers. If it's the 33MP stacked, they're saying, hey filmmakers and sports shooters, this one's for you. Either way, this decision is going to define who this camera really serves. So, which one would you prefer? Drop your pick in the comments. I'm curious where the community leans. Let's be honest. In 2025, if a camera can't deliver on video, it's already behind. And Sony knows this. Rumors point to 4K 16-bit RAW output, support for S-Log 3, and S-Gamut 3-color profiles, plus that sweet 8-stop, 5-axis in-body stabilization. Translation: filmmakers, YouTubers, and indie creators could get cinematic-level tools straight out of the box. Now, sure, some of you are probably wishing for native 6K or full-frame 4K at 60 frames per second, and yeah, those would have been nice. But even without them, these rumored features make the A7V sound like a true hybrid beast. Okay, here's where it gets a little painful. Word on the street is that the A7V could land around $2,799 to $2,999 for the body alone. Add VAT, customs, and accessories, and international buyers might be staring at an even scarier number. So the real question is, does the A7V offer enough to justify that premium? For some, the answer is yes. Cutting-edge autofocus, pro-grade video, and a sensor built for the future. For others, especially casual shooters, that price hike might be a deal-breaker. So, what do we know? The Sony A7V is shaping up to be a serious hybrid powerhouse, blending resolution, speed, and professional video tools into one package. But the final verdict? That'll only come once Sony officially confirms the specs and we see real-world results. Until then, it's all about balancing hype with reality. Now I want to hear from you. If these leaks are true, would you buy the A7V at nearly $3,000? Or would you stick with the A7 IV? Or maybe even look at competitors like Canon and Nikon? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next big update.